What is this? All will be revealed later.
Good morning, beautiful day. Well, lunchtime now, but 32 degrees. I'll start with a good day instead, maybe. That's the way we do it here in Australia, good day. But it's a lovely day, and we are currently at the North Mole of Fremantle Harbour. So today, where to today? Well, today we're going to head up the coast, south to north, and we're going to go from Fremantle, or North Fremantle, up through to Scarborough, along the coast. I'll show you a couple of the coastlines, a couple of beaches on the way through. But just a glorious day. We'll get on the road and hopefully enjoy. Please come along with me for the travel and hopefully enjoy what you see. We'll see how we go from there. All right, all the best.
Where to today? North Fremantle to Scarborough, along the coast via Cottesloe and City Beach. We're departing the North Mole of Fremantle Harbour, but for the sake of it, there's a dedicated North Mole road, so we'll drive up and down that to say we've been there and done that. This access is more the breakwater for the harbour. Look at these containers everywhere. Just love to go and open a few up and see what's inside some of these containers. But hundreds and hundreds of containers stacked up here. Someone must know what's going on with them all. You can well imagine they just get lost in the system and sit there forever. So there we are, that's our port side lighthouse for the entrance to Fremantle Harbour, end of the North Mole breakwater. And as we swing around, we can looking back down to Fremantle Harbour. But I'll put the drone up, give you a better indication of what we're looking at. See the harbour from the sky. to Leighton Beach. Obviously the beach has been here for a little while, but the apartments are new. The last 5 years, maybe 5 years more so, these apartments have gone up. Bit of an exclusive little area, not quite walking distance to Fremantle or anywhere else. Train line passes through it, but yeah, these apartments right on Leighton Beach. Quite a number of coffee shops, restaurants and greenery, playgrounds for the kids. Nice little spot actually. Okay, Cottesloe, coming up to Cottesloe Beach for what it's known as. A number of new apartments being built. Cottesloe Golf Course. We're walking in the golf clubs in a buggy. I guess that speaks for itself.
Well, that was Cottesloe, and we depart Cottesloe, continue north, and we'll drop into City Beach on the way through to Scarborough. Cottesloe, great beach, a lot of lawn space, great for picnics and family. Here's City Beach, and again I'll put the drone up so you can appreciate what we're looking at. Welcome to Scarborough Beach, one of our main beaches in the northern suburbs. Restaurants, hotels, great beaches, good amenities. They've got the swimming pool, amphitheatre, bit of lawn, coffee shops all the way through. Let's put the drone up, see what we can see. Well, that, my friends, is Scarborough Beach. Magnificent beach, as you can see from the air. Well, thank you for riding with me today and travelling along. I hope you've enjoyed it. As I say, we start off in North Fremantle with the What Is This? End up being some timber framework for an old warehouse end up here in Scarborough, right on the Scarborough Beach foreshore. And just a reminder, this is a second episode of the What Is This? The previous one I did was from Port Coogee up to Fremantle South, where we did a What Is This? And that's there, so you can see that on my YouTube channel. If you want to find that episode, have a watch through, you'll find out what that is. Again, thank you very much for travelling with me today. I appreciate your company. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll catch you again soon. A like, subscribe or a comment would be fantastic. Otherwise, have a really great day. All the very best. Bye.